Gantt chart or Kanban? Let's be honest. Does your team actually have a clear strategy before deciding which one to use? Or is it more like, last project used this? In this video, we're breaking down the real differences between Gantt and Kanban, so your choice is intentional, not accidental. Let's start with Gantt chart, a horizontal bar chart used in project management to show tasks and their schedule over time. To make it easier to understand, imagine you're managing a project from start to finish. You may want to know what needs to be done, in what order, and by when. That's exactly what a Gantt chart is built for, to put your entire project on one timeline. Let's take a look at the Gantt chart. You will see that the work can be nicely structured by breaking it down into tasks and subtasks. On the right side, you'll see the timeline. Each task becomes a bar. The length of that bar shows how long the task takes from start to finish. And here's an important part. You'll see arrows connecting tasks. Those arrows show dependencies. Basically, this task can't be finished until that one is done. So if one task gets delayed, you can immediately see what else is affected. This is why Gantt charts are great at showing how work is sequenced, which tasks depend on others, how delays impact the overall schedule. Because of that, Gantt charts are commonly used in plan-driven or predictive projects where scope and deadlines are defined early. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Kanban, an agile management method built on a philosophy of continuous improvement. Kanban doesn't care much about timelines. Instead, it cares about workflow. The idea behind Kanban is simple. All tasks start from the left column, such as to do. When someone begins work, the task moves to in progress. Once it's finished, it moves to review. And when it's officially approved, it moves to done. That's it. As you can see, tasks move from left to right across the board. Very visual, very intuitive. Kanban doesn't try to predict exact finish dates. Instead, it focuses on what's being worked on, what is blocked, what's already done. Because of this, Kanban is widely used in agile and adaptive environments where priorities change and work is delivered continuously. Now, take a quick look at this table. You don't need to read every line, just notice the pattern. Gantt is built around time, scheduling, dependencies, fixed deadlines. Kanban is built around flow, workflow, flexibility, limiting work in progress. Gantt is structured and predictive. Kanban is adaptive and continuous. One helps you control a plan, the other helps you manage ongoing work, and that difference determines when you should use each. So let's make this real. Imagine your team handling daily operations, maybe marketing requests, internal tasks, customer support tickets. New work comes in every day. Priorities change. Some tasks take 30 minutes, some take 2 days. You don't need a 6-month roadmap. You need visibility. You need to avoid overloading people. You need to see what's stuck. That's Kanban. Now imagine something different. You're planning a product launch, or building a system, or organizing a large event. The deadline is fixed. Tasks depend on each other. Design must finish before development. Development must finish before testing. Testing must finish before release. If one task slips, the entire schedule shifts. That's where Gantt becomes powerful. It helps you see dependencies, manage deadlines, and gives you control over the timeline. Now, here's the reality. Many teams live in the middle. You might have a 6-month roadmap, but daily tasks still evolve. In that case, use Gantt for high-level planning. Use Kanban for day-to-day execution. Leadership sees the timeline. The team sees the workflow. Big picture on top. Operational clarity underneath. That's why many modern project management tools support both views. One example is TaskFord. It supports multiple views like Gantt, Kanban, table, scheduler, and overview of the project. All of these views are connected to a single source of truth. This means planners can manage timelines, dependencies, and schedules. Teams can focus on daily tasks and workflows, and everyone stays aligned without switching tools or duplicating information. So here's the key takeaway. Choosing Gantt or Kanban isn't about preference, it's about fit. Gantt helps you plan and schedule. Kanban helps you execute and keep work flowing. Used correctly, and sometimes together, they bring clarity instead of chaos. So how do you manage projects today? Gantt, Kanban, or a mix of both? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.